Alright. Hey, yo, my name's Todd. I'm just gonna take this drone for a flight. I did a few yesterday, but the battery wasn't fully charged, so I couldn't, really do anything. Here's the drone. Pretty cool. This drone has infrared capability. Just kidding, it doesn't. So, we will be approaching the launch site soon, hopefully. We are now approaching the launch site. Now, first-time drone users, I would get a cheap drone first and start flying it in an opened area. We are now at the launch site, and I will now turn things over to my drone.